episode 93 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a pivot point trade setup. This is by far my favorite trade setup, and this is something that sets up all the time, so watch out for it. I will show you how to identify a pivot point trade, where to enter the trade, where to place the stop loss, and also how to exit the trade with a profit. So let's take a look at the charts now.
We're looking at a pivot point trade setup. This is pound US dollar 15-minute chart. A pivot point trade setup is where price will react at one of the pivot point levels. And this could be any one of the levels. It could be a support level, a daily pivot, or it could be a resistance level or R1 level. So in this case, what we see is that the price has been coming down. It drops, goes right into this S1 level, which is our support, pivot point support level. And then we see that the price rejects that level. And as you can see, we have a bullish candle followed by another bullish engulfing candle. Now, this gives us an indication that the price is likely to move higher because as you can see, the price does not even go and test the same level again. So we have a higher low in this case. So now we'll be looking for price to move higher. In this case, the entry can be at the close of this candle and our stop loss would go below the pin here. And we stay in the trade as long as price continues higher. So in this case, price moves up, comes back and tests the previous support and resistance level, but holds above that level. So it's reacting to the pivot point and then finally holds above the pivot point and goes into our R1 level. So here we see that the price is pulling back, but it is still holding above the previous support and resistance level, so we can stay in the trade. But as we continue on here, we see that the price is rejecting the R1 level once again. So now we have a bit of a double top going on here, so we can exit the trade because after that point we wouldn't know where the price was likely to go, and as a result we can exit the trade here. So from entry to exit here, we have 64 pips in the trade or $640 if trading one standard lot. So just to recap here, a pivot point trade setup is when the price rejects any one of the pivot point levels where the trade will set up at one of the pivot point levels. Pivot points are one of my best indicators to trade. I really like trading pivot points. I find that the trades will set up at pivot point levels quite often, and as a result of that I really like trading pivot points. So in this case, price comes into our S1 level, gives us a rejection pattern, which means it's making higher lows, and we have a bullish engulfing candle. This gives us an indication that the price is likely to move higher, so we can take our long entry at the close of this bullish engulfing candle, and then we stay with the trade as long as price is moving higher. Once the price looks like it's going sideways, we can exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 64 pips in the trade or $640 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points. So you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe below. It was a pleasure sharing this trade setup with you, and I will see you next time with another great trade setup.